Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to switch Instagram to business account. If you're using Instagram and now you want to switch your account into business account, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Instagram app, just open it, and here just go to your profile in the right bottom corner, tap on it, and here you have to select the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and here you just have to scroll down and look for professional section, and here select account type and tools. Here you just have to tap on switch to professional account. Tap on it, then tap on next, and here you have to add your category which you want. You can add anything, and here I'm going to select the first one, and after that you can easily display the category on your profile, then tap on switch to professional account. It will take some time, and after that you have to select which you want to use for your. This is business and this is creator. There's best for public figures, content producers, and here's best for virtualizer. You have to select which you want, then tap on next, and after that just tap on next, then continue, and here your account has been got a professional account. You can easily set up of your account. So that's how you can easily switch your Instagram account to a business account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.